How to fix FPS drops in Fortnite. Now what you want to do is click CTRL, Shift and ESC at the same time and click on CPU. And as you can see here, the uptime is actually 2 days, which is totally false. And this is what's causing the FPS drops. Not only in Fortnite, but in every other game, in every other activity you perform on a computer. Now what you want to do is go here, type in power and sleep settings, and then click on additional power settings on the right hand side of the screen. Now here you can select high performance if you didn't select that already, but this is what I really want to show you. As you can see here, it says turn on fast startup recommended, and it's recommended for some reason. I don't know why. Basically what this means is that every time you shut down a computer and turn it back on again, it turns back on faster, which is, you know, it may seem like a good thing, but what it actually does is prevents your computer for shutting down completely. So what you want to do is change settings that are currently unavailable. Just deselect this and click on save changes. Not only will this improve frame rate and FPS drops in Fortnite, this will improve the FPS drops in whatever activity you perform on your computer, whatever game. And that was how to fix FPS drops in Fortnite.